Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make angel hair with garlic and oil. Cue the music. Thanks a lot for being here today. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to go down and like this channel, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making angel hair pasta with garlic and oil. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 9 ounces of angel hair pasta, half a cup of pasta water, quarter cup of avocado oil, 4 garlic cloves that we've sliced up, half a teaspoon of crushed pepper flakes, half a teaspoon of kosher salt and some black pepper, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, half a cup of chopped fresh parsley, and a little bit of grated Parmesan when we go to plate it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and talk about this angel hair pasta. I found this. I wanted to do a show with some pasta, but I know pasta is pretty full of carbs, and I really don't like eating the carbs. I found this. And it's very, very low carb, and I'll tell you what it's made out of, and you'll never guess what it's made out of. It's made out of hearts of palm. So I have never had this before. I've never tried it. So I'm going to give this a try today, and we're going to see how it works out. I did go on the website and check it out. They got some unique and really cool products on there. They've got white rice. They've got meals that they've got made up, like for keto meals and stuff like that. So go ahead and check that out. EatNaturalHeaven.com. I'm going to leave that link down in the description box as well, so you can check that out. But very interesting. They got a video on there that shows how they make it and everything. Really cool product. Natural Heaven, low carb, gourmet food. So I'm going to use this. We're going to see how it works out. So let's head over to the stove. We got everything prepped, ready to go. Let's start cooking. All right, as you can see, we have our mise en place all ready to go. We have got our ingredients and the tools that we're going to need to make this. So I'm going to focus on the pan and we'll start cooking. All right, I have got the pan, got the heat on, medium-high heat. I've got our pasta right here. Now, the recipe in the link below is for traditional angel hair pasta that you got to cook, and then you're going to reserve some of the water. But I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and we can see what's in our pasta here and what to expect. Our pasta's already cooked. It's in a bag, ready to go. So you just zip across there, and when the time comes, we'll just put it right on in, stir it up, and it'll all blend together, and it'll be perfect. I can't wait, and I hope that's what happens. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the oil on, give the camera something to focus on. All right, we're going to take our sliced garlic. I didn't mince it up because I don't want that incredibly intense flavor. I just want it sliced so we can get a little bit of flavor without being overbearing. And I'm going to sit that in there, medium-high heat. And I want to just stir it. I don't want to burn this. I just want to stir it up till it gets aromatic, about a minute. While that's doing that, I am going to take and cut our pasta open here. Smells good. What it looks like. Okay. Go ahead and stir this up a little bit. It does smell like hearts of palm, or an artichoke, kind of. You ever eat canned artichokes? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and throw this in. We'll see what happens. Break it up with my hands a little bit. I'm going to turn the heat down just a touch. Okay. And I don't have reserved pasta water, but I do have some water that I'm going to put in there. And hopefully some of that starch from this, if there is starch in this, I don't even know if it does have starch. Hopefully that'll leach into this a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and throw our red peppers flakes in, our lemon juice, salt and pepper. And I'm gonna go ahead and stir this up. I'm gonna switch out to a pair of tongs here, just so we can incorporate all this together. It smells good. Let this just get some heat to it. You just want to let this cook. Maybe add a little bit more water, you can, which I'm going to do just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and throw the lemon zest in there. Then we'll throw some water on top of that. You can always reduce. There, to just get that zest all in here. Spread it around. All right, let that cook a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and throw half of the I'm gonna go ahead and throw all the parsley in there, some of the Parmesan, and stir it up. It is hot, so I am just gonna turn this heat off a little bit. Well, I can't turn it off a little bit. I'm gonna turn it off all the way. Third show today. Sorry folks, I'm a little bit scrambled. Let this sit, let it get hot all the way through and rest a little bit. I'm gonna plate it up, add some more stuff to it, make it look really pretty. We're gonna take pictures of it, throw it in the timeline for you to enjoy with some awesome music. Then we're gonna come back and we are gonna taste this, and I'll let you know how it tastes. Don't go away. Cannot wait to try this out. Let's just take a... Smells fantastic. Looks fantastic. Cooperates like pasta. There's the bite right there on the fork there. Right here. I'm not gonna lie, it's different. It's not bad at all, but it's just different. It's a little bit chewier than I would imagine for pasta, but that's fine. It holds itself well with all that liquid. I'd like to try this in another recipe with maybe a different kind of sauce. But yeah, it's got some good integrity, good crunch. If you like al dente, this is al dente. But it's got, now the dish itself with the lemon and the zest and the garlic and the oil, tastes fantastic. It's really good. A little bit of heat coming through from those pepper flakes. But yeah, this pasta, it's good. I'm gonna give it about a B minus here. It's not perfect like you would want a pasta, like a spaghetti or a angel hair, you know. It's a little more chewy, but that's, you know, expected from Heart's Palm. But, you know, the benefits of it is it's low carb and it's probably low fat, but it's also gluten free, which is good for a lot of people with celiac and people that want to avoid gluten. So it's a win-win all the way. I'm going to just show this one more time. I am not a spokesman. I'm not getting paid or anything. I just think this is a good product. Nice to try something new. We are called It's Only Food here, and I want to try everything I can. So, fantastic product though. Vegan, gluten-free, sugar-free, paleo, and keto. It's good for all of those. Sustainable, low-carb, gluten-free goodness. Low-carb gourmet, natural heaven. Go to their website. I'll leave that link down below with the recipe for this pasta dish. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye. Look at that. Gorgeous.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, pumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah, now what you fixing up?